Get ready with me for work today. I have quite a few makeups to do today, so I thought I would show you my makeup routine. This is the skincare. This one is Banish, and it is a vitamin C daily moisturizer. So I'm just massaging that into my skin to make sure my skin is nicely prepped for makeup. I'm also using the Banish Instant Lift Eye Cream. Now I place this on and I really massage that into my eye and under my eye, and it really helps to brighten up the under eye area and make me feel a little bit more awake. I always place sort of the little residual around my lips there. Today I've decided to use two of the Holme Beauty Primers. Now they're in two different shades. I'm using the lighter shade through the middle of my face. These are gorgeous. They can be used as a primer or on their own like I'm using today. Now the lighter shade I'm placing all through the middle of my face, up under my eyes and over my eyelids, and it really creates that beautiful sheer coverage and just that skin-like look. I feel nice and fresh. So I'm just buffing it in with a foundation brush, just avoiding my cheeks at the minute. And what I will do is I'll go in with the darker shade and just go through and really frame the face. So just bringing out the contour, framing the face and warming it up a little bit and just having that nice, healthy, natural glow. So it looks really soft and really natural. Also going to go down my nose and just contour that ever so slightly. Now this is one of the Laura Mercier. This is the eyewear sticks. This one is in cocoa. So it is quite a sort of rusty brown shade. Now what I'm doing is running it all over the mobile lid and a little bit underneath. Once I've placed it on, I'm using a little brush and I'm just blending it up and out into the crease. This is what has to be the easiest eye makeup that you can do. These eyewear sticks are so nice and easy to use, and look at that, it's just so much impact with just such like one step. So just buffing it in underneath as well. Once again, going on the other side, and I'm just running the stick just like a little crayon all over my mobile lid, right the way through, and then just bringing in that blending brush and pushing it out into the crease. Such a simple way to do your eye makeup, and really it makes it very, very quick, especially if you're in a little bit of a hurry. This really is easy. So I am running it all down underneath that lash line as well. I really like that look. I did put a little bit more into that crease, just making sure they are even. Now I'm just using the same shade, the darker shade, sorry, this is in cocoa, right into that waterline, the tight line at the top there, just to add a little bit of depth. Taking a small amount on a brush, and I'm just placing it right inside that inner corner to really get a little bit more drama and impact to the eye makeup. Now this is the Duo. This is by Youngblood Cosmetics, and it's a highlighter, so it's like a salmon color, and it's a really pretty way of just lighting up that waterline and making those eyes pop. Just using the Rumi Cosmetics. This is their mascara, volume mascara. It is beautiful, and it really helps to separate those lashes, add length and volume. So this is in black. So running it through the lashes, it has to be one of my favorite mascaras now. It's very easy to use and doesn't come off any other time. Now I'm using the Pony Cosmetics. This is the brow pencil. Now it has the little spoolie wand on one end, which I love, and I'm just using it on the outer edge and a small amount in the inner corner there. And then once I've placed the color in, I do run it through with the spoolie brush. This just creates a really nice natural look and more of a hair-like look for the brow and the brush there. Sorry, I'm mixing up my words. This is the Hourglass blush. Thought this would just really finish this off perfectly, add that flusher color to the cheeks. I'm also going to add a little bit of that Hourglass blush through the crease there up onto the brow bone. This just helps to lift up the eye. Going in with another Holme Beauty product. This is the M Powder. It has two shades in the container. The darker shade, I'm using it on the darker shade of that primer, and then I'll go in with the lighter shade and really just set that area, see, under the eyes and through the middle of the face. St. Renais, this is their lip color in Genoa, and here is the final look. Let me know what you think, and I'm off to work for the day.